Alright, let's kick this vlog off with Gustavo. Damn, wait till you see that face you made on camera, man. That looked crazy.
The loving in my heart won't break it through. I never wanna say that we are through. I'm holding on to what we still have left. And yeah, you know me.
So I'm draped up and dripped. I know what I'm talking about. 3 in the morning, getting again.
Alright boys, so I definitely love my Ford F-150. We just got done cleaning up the wheels. I got a little bit of footage of that coming up for you guys with my boy Gustavo. We used a little O&R, but today we're taking out the Slingshot. So we're getting ready to clean the Slingshot up. Doesn't need too much cleaning. We just had it returned to us by a renter. Got a little bit of mud on it there, a little bit of mud on the wheel, but that's about it. We're gonna get this baby cleaned up, and we've got a very special vlog for y'all today. Today we are meeting up with the Pony Express at the Graffiti Wall here in Houston. Very nice locale. You guys are gonna love all the sights that y'all are about to see. Let's go. So we're here at the Pony Express meeting up with all these awesome Mustang owners today. I've already done one of these cars actually that you guys might remember being in my shop a while back. Keeping this baby nice and glossy, really nice deep black. But you also got to give it to the owner. He's meticulous with his car care. Alright, so we had a great time at the Pony Express meet today. We met a few of their members and we saw a lot of cool cars. This black Shelby in particular needs a little bit of paint correction, so I'm excited to get that into the shop one day soon. But I gotta say, my favorite car was this white Boss 302. I believe the owner said it was a 2013, and he's got it in great shape. This Camaro was an oddball here. He was a tag along. Obviously the Pony Express is pony cars only. Either way, it was really nice seeing that Camaro there. It's always good to have a lot of diversity. We had a lot of fun with the Slingshot today as well. We took these pictures in front of the Queen of Tejano. We love Selena in this house, so the Queen will live on forever. And we also got some cool pictures in front of some Houston legends that are no longer with us. Shout them all out in the comments if you know them. Finally had to get a picture of Bart Simpson here on the skateboard. So that's going to pretty much conclude this vlog. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe button, and comment. But really hit that subscribe button, boys. I'm trying to get to a G. We're at 201. Super grateful to everyone that has subscribed up till now. I'm gonna leave a merch link in the description as well if you guys want to support us by purchasing merch. That would be amazing. Alright guys, as you already know, go detailer, go. Have a good one. Peace.